Hello everyone, I am going to dictate you Steno General Matter. Be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start.
My government is committed to rapid expansion and improvement of India's physical infrastructure, power, oil, petroleum and renewable sources of energy, roads, transport, ports, airports, telecommunications and financial services so that these work both as engines of growth and employment. Generation Stop. My government shall unveil a national water policy so that no water goes waste and goes also our country which has always revered the sacred rivers cleans up all its water resources. Stop. My government will strive hard to make India a global information technology power, especially make India one of the largest generators and exporters of software in the world within 10 years. Stop. In this sacred national mission, I invite the most active participation of our hardworking kisans, workers, teachers, government employees, lawyers, doctors, engineers, traders, businessmen, in short, people in all professions. Stop. We shall aim in particular at equipping the weakest sections of the society to participate in this adventure. Stop. I have in mind especially members of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and of minorities who may be poor. Stop. It has been quite rightly said that many have used these sections as vote banks, but they have left their real problems exactly as they were: inadequate education, malnutrition, and the rest. Stop. The counter example, the one I want the country to follow, is provided by the life and career of Dr. Baba Sahib Bhim Rao Ambedkar. A benevolent Raja supports the sparkling talent in this little child. He and others assist to child to study, to struggle, to excel and see the heights he scaled. Stop. The good project was initiated during Sri Rajiv Gandhi's tenure to locate the brightest children from among the poorest sections and to set up the very best schools for them. Stop. So many good ideas. The skills scheme has languished. Stop. I am particularly anxious to receive it and to multiply it 20-fold. Stop. In many ways, the position of women is even more precarious and it is pivotal to our future. Stop. A country cannot even be said to be progressing if one half of its population remains disadvantaged. Stop. In any case, it just cannot progress. Stop. Every study has identified female literacy, female health as the keys that determine so much else. Stop. Doubling female literacy within 10 years, vastly improving medical care for daughters and mothers. Stop. Protecting the self-respect of women, empowering them politically through reservation in parliament and state assemblies. Stop. These are not just goals that my government shall work towards. This Stop. These are goals which I shall personally monitor. Stop. Another major area of focus will be restructuring of center-state relations, went to decentralize financial powers to the states,